Good day, everybody. It's time for Weather with J7409. Today, of course, is Tuesday, the 5th of March, 2019. Welcome. So glad you could come by and check the weather out with me and all my subscribers. Today, we're looking at right now the NAM 3KM Near Surface Reflectivity map. Now, this, of course, is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. What should happen today through Thursday? Well, heavy snow is looking like what's going to be happening for the Sierra area. Heavy rain possible for coastal California. It's going to lead to excessive rainfall over parts of Southern California. You can see it coming in right here. And the temperatures, well, east of the Rockies, they will start to moderate as temperatures will be 10 to 25 degrees below average. And yes, for North Carolina and parts of South Carolina, this morning you can see snow right here. As a matter of fact, about just an hour south of me, they're having some snow this morning. How about that? But it's going to mix in with rain, but they are having some snow right now. I think this makes it look a little bit heavier than what it probably is, but yes, that's snow, and it may reach Manteo, North Carolina, before it's all over. What's making all this stuff happen? Well, we'll turn it on and let it roll. It's an upper level energy of cold air, and it's going to aid in producing lake effect snow downwind from the ice free areas of the Great Lakes through Thursday morning. Now, we have a deep upper level low over the Pacific, and it's going to move onshore over California by tomorrow, and then move farther inland to the northern central plains by Thursday. Moisture associated with the system will stream into California and begin to wane overnight tomorrow. The moisture and energy will aid in producing rain, heavy at times over parts of California, and snow heavy at times over the higher elevations of California through Thursday morning. And then it's going to begin to wane. Now, the rain and higher elevation snow will move into the Great Basin Pacific Northwest overnight tonight. Snow will expand into the northern Intermountain region and central Rockies by tomorrow, and also tomorrow snow will expand into the northern Rockies, continuing into Thursday. Now, as the energy moves into the northern central plains, snow is going to develop over the northern and central plains overnight tomorrow. Now, the snow should expand into parts of the middle Mississippi Valley by Thursday. The energy will also aid in drawing moisture off the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow morning into Thursday, and that's going to produce rain over parts of the western Gulf Coast by Thursday. As of right now for today, it looks like no severe weather outbreaks should occur as tornadoes along the Gulf Coast states. It's looking pretty good, but I'm going to pick the 9th as a severe weather day. We may have some outbreaks. That's March 9th, and I'm going to keep my eyes on things then, and I'll be sure and try to keep you aware if anything does break out. But that's what it's looking like right now. And here's some pictures we have that was sent in by Boston Bruins fan. Everybody knows Boston Bruins. This is in Mansfield, Massachusetts, from Winter Storm Scott that just went through there. They got about a foot of snow in this area. I want to thank you so much for sending these pictures in. Yes, you had a mess, my friend. Look at all that snow. If you have any pictures that you would like to share with all of us, please click Show More underneath this video. Then scroll down. You will find an email address to send them to. I appreciate it so much for you sending this in to me. Look at all of that snow. I know you had a mess, my friend. And once again, Boston Bruins fans sent these in. This is in Mansfield, Massachusetts. They got about a foot of snow. Quick check of the watches and warnings map this morning, and yes, it looks quite different, doesn't it? Everywhere you see the blue, it goes from Texas right on through. All of the states up through Florida, all the way up to my neck of the woods in North Carolina. All of this blue is freeze warnings. Going to be very, very, very cold. This little area of purple between Texas and Mississippi, this is hard freeze warnings. Hard freeze warnings. It's looking like Minnesota, maybe you're going to get a break, except for the very corner up here. For these three counties in the northeast, you are still under what the light blue is that goes from Mississippi, part of Wisconsin here, also much of Montana, creeps down through parts of Wyoming, Nebraska, and Kansas. And we have some that goes from West Virginia all the way down through North Carolina and Virginia itself. What this is, wind chill warnings, folks. Cold wind chills. Up here you see where you have that chance of some snow coming off the Great Lakes I was just talking about. Some of that will move over into parts of New York. It shouldn't be a big snow out though. Okay, nothing like a storm. You're going to get some snow, but it shouldn't be a snowstorm, okay? Other than that, little bit of snow may happen as the system comes in off the coast over in Oregon. Lots of rain in California, but we do have where this pink is. This is where most of the snow is going to fall from the system coming in as of today before it starts to move across, and that is the mountain areas. We have flood watches up in the green here for California also. Other than that, this is just hazardous weather outlooks for this portion of Nevada. So, everybody have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Don't forget, March 9th, I think, may be a chance for some severe weather outbreaks from Texas all the way across probably Mississippi, Alabama, maybe even Georgia. We'll have to wait and see if this happens. It's what it's looking like to me at this time for the chance of possibly some severe weather. Why? Because this cold's going to move out and we're going to have another warm system move up as this one moves out. And when they meet together, you know what that means. Bad weather could occur. So, with all that said and done, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I'd appreciate it so much. Thank you for the comments, the likes, and everything you do for me, the donations. I just thank you for watching my videos and sharing them with your families and friends. That means very much. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and peace, love, and kindness to each of you.